Here we can see a lot of monkeys, so we have to be a little bit careful with all the stuff we are having, especially food. This is the entrance of the Medak Fort, and you can see the beautiful view of Medak town and also the Medak church. This Medak Fort is in Medak district, Telangana, and this Medak Fort is 800 years old. After visiting the Medak church, we came to this Medak Fort. It's not too far from the church, like it took almost 20 minutes from the church. After visiting the Medak church, we went to lunch, and from there we came to this Medak Fort because we have to walk a lot at this Medak Fort, so we need to take some heavy lunch so that we won't get tired easily. Kids are having great fun at this fort, and they are having the photo session here. There are no tickets entering into the Medak Fort. It's completely free of cost. This fort was built by Rudradev and was called Metukudurgam, meaning cooked rice in Telugu. The Medak Fort has three main entrances. They are Pradhana Dwaram, Gajadwaram and Simhadwaram. This is the Pradhana Dwaram, the main entrance of the Medak Fort. Now you can see the inside look of Pradhana Dwaram. Medak Fort is a heritage structure and a popular tourist attraction of Medak town. We have the full greenery around you, as you can see this, and we can have a pleasant time with families. This is the second level view, that is from the second floor of the Medak Fort we can have this beautiful scenery of the Medak city town. From here we are going to the next entrance, that is Simhadwaram. As you can see the two lions on the top of the entrance, so it is called as Simhadwaram. And now we are entering into this Simhadwaram. Without stopping anywhere, it took almost 30 minutes for us to reach the top of the Medak Fort. Medak Fort is attached to the Harita Resort, and this fort has a great history. Mostly the history and architecture lovers will definitely stop here, and they will surely have a good view of the Medak town and the greenery around. Especially kids are not really tired, and they really having so much of fun climbing these rocks and also to the top of the fort. This is the beautiful view of the Medak town from the third level of the Medak fort, that is from the third floor of the Medak fort. This is the third entrance of the Medak fort, that is Gajadwaram, and you can see the elephant picture on the wall as it represents the Gajadwaram. Almost we reached to the top of the fort, and this is the last level of this Medak fort. The size of the fort is small compared to the Golconda fort in Hyderabad, but height wise it is at higher altitude. We have to climb several stairs to reach the top of the fort. The view from the top is fascinating, and it gives 360 degrees view of Medak town and surroundings. If we go to this Medak fort as a groups, we can have lot of fun, and if we go alone, then we will feel really bored. And now we reached finally to the top of the fort. There are lot of monkeys at this place, so we have to be careful with our belongings. I want to share a funny incident happened here, and one of the monkey grabbed my cousin's water bottle, and he's really scared of that incident. So keep all your important stuff carefully. Successfully we reached the top of the Medak fort, and we really had a great time spending with the family, and now we are going back. I really liked visiting this Medak fort. There are not many sightseeing places in Medak, but this is a good place to visit when the weather is good. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment, and see you all in the next video. Bye.